Interest is always ruling this world. And that is why I find it difficult to join people to fight people or join people to talk about people. You see, in 2012, during the Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, this was the protest, Urosoinka, the rest of them. There are many, including Falana. They protested that fuel is 65 naira, just 65 naira. They asked Goodluck to go away. They say Goodluck will die like Abacha if he did not go out. The president, sitting president, I'm telling you. There is nothing they did not do against Goodluck Jonathan. Come on. The protest was heavy. Occupy Abuja, occupy Nigeria. And, today, the same fuel is 1,700. 1,700, 1,500, 1,300, depending on your area. And the insecurity is like times 20 to be compared to the time of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Where are these people? They were not fighting for fuel subsidy. They were not fighting against fuel subsidy. They were not fighting for you. They were not fighting for you. I'm sorry to tell you this. They just hated one man. They hate Goodluck Jonathan. Not because what he was doing was not good. But they just hate the man. Maybe because of where he was coming from. That was what happened. And let me tell you what is going on today. After about getting to 15 years.
Jama'a me ke faruwa a Abuja ne nan da kuke gani da ƴan uwanmu ne da buga ake tashi to yau na gan su a garin Abuja gabaki daya, especially ƴan Kano kun gani sai bacci suke ta yi akan titi da sauransu. So nan sun zo campaign ne fa na Tinubu da Abba, sai ka ce ba wa'annan mutanen bane suka samu a cikin halin haula'i. Ku duba inda suke bacci dan Allah. Don ka bibiya ba mai 100k a cikin account ɗin shi, amma a yanzu akan yabi naira 1,000 zuwa 2,000 aka ga sun ɗauko kafa sun tawo a waje domin su zaɓi mutumin da yake zalunta su. So dai Allah subhanahu wataala ya taimake mu, ya taimaki musulunci baki ɗaya. Kun gani nan duk su ne. Ai sai kun ma fita waje za ku gani nan wa'inna a cikin gata suke. Wallahi kuka fita waje za ku yi mamaki sosai wallahi. Amma fa ita su suke dubawa fa. Allah ya taimaka kawai.
Friday, March 27 is today, 2026. As you all know, there is something going on in Abuja, a national convention of All Progressive Congress. The video you are seeing on the screen is in the premises of the National Mosque. It happened yesterday. You see people lying on the floor. They sleep outside. Why are they lying on the floor? They came from far and near. People pay their transport. They sponsored them to come to Abuja for the national convention. The person who sponsored them to come did not give them money for hotel, and they just asked them to lie down here. Look at how they are lying down like a lifeless body. You see, these are the people you are trying to fight for. These are the people you are trying to help. Like, these people, do they look like someone who even know what they are doing? The fuel is 1,500, 1,700, 1,300, depending on your area per liter. The insecurity, most of the homes that these people came from, most of the home they came from, most of their community in their state, even their local government, have been taken over by the terrorists. But you know what? They are not against all these things. Look at the way they gather at the National Mosque. Then, from across the nation, what I see, like the tune of so many people I am seeing, following the steps of their political leaders who have defected to APC, they are smiling, they are happy going to national convention and so on and so forth. Nigeria will not get better. Yeah. You see the youth who are coming up, they are worse than the people that are leading them. Like slaves supposed to have different mentality from the oppressors, because slaves supposed to learn. They cannot be enslaving you and you are having the same mentality as the oppressor. Any slave that does not rebel does not deserve pity. I stop pitying people who are dying in Nigeria. I stop pitying them. Should I say they deserve it? No, they don't deserve it, but they love it. They don't deserve it. Nature did not build that for them. Nature did not build a country or condition a country where her people will be dying like flies. That is not nature. The people love slaves. The people love that slave mentality, that let's continue to die. Let's continue to. As far as I know, that person is a governor. I will be close to him if I join APC. The fear of hunger, the fear of poverty. But you know what? I know some informations that is already out, proving to be genuine informations. So what you are seeing in Abuja, Tinubu will be betrayed. Yeah, most of people who are governors, they will eat Tinubu raw, eat his money, the federal allocation, sending to them, everybody is just okay. But a lot of people from the northern Nigeria will betray Tinubu. Okay, some of them met Atiku in Dubai. And Atiku will do everything possible to get the ticket of ADC. So many APC governors are going to sponsor Atiku. Mweke is going to be the DG of campaign organization of Tinubu 2027. So PDP is gone. I'm just trying to tell you all this thing, not because you have something you are going to do with it. You don't have anything to do with it and it won't change anything. Okay. Then the reason why so many APC governors in the north want to gang against Tinubu is because they don't like what Tinubu is doing. They don't like so many things. It's like Tinubu betrayed some agreement or Tinubu have violated some agreement. So the agreement they had with him in becoming president. The two major people who helped him becoming president, it's only one person is with him, that is Wike. Erofai is already pushed out. So there are so many things going on, and all these things we create only one thing: more insecurity. Yeah, because you see all these people I'm just mentioning, they are all one. All of them are one. Tinubu, Erofai, this and that, Madami, they are all the same. They are one. And all of them have their boys. All of them know the secret of this insecurity. They all knows what I'm talking about. So that is why if you understand this thing about politicians, you do not rush following politicians. You do not call them this and that. I know them. So look at, if people who are doing all these things to people and allowing people to die and they are still being praised by the people they are oppressing, I have to tell you this. Let the oppression continue against these people who refuse to learn. Maybe they will learn when they die. Okay, maybe they will learn when they die. Or there is no repentance in the grave. But maybe they will learn when they die. Look at human beings. Like, if the school is no longer teaching morals, the right thing, resistance, because as far as I'm concerned, the school in Nigeria is not teaching what is valid today. The school in Nigeria is not teaching what is relevant today. Curriculum is supposed to be updating all the time. Even the phone we are using, like this Android phone. Every now and then, you will see software update. Software update. The phone will be updating software because things are changing every day. But in Nigeria, there is nothing that is updating. Nothing that is updating. Look at the whole situation around. Everybody is just following the people who are killing them. Like, is it that these people are using charm or what against their people? Like, why is it that everybody is praising? Everybody is just praising. Not everybody to say, but many people are looking and pretending as if nothing is going on in Nigeria. For the first time in the history, official pump price is going to 17. And everybody just believe that all is well. Why? Because there is a symbiotic relationship in a perverse manner. The same government is trying to bribe people. Just the money you can use to eat today and finish. Or buy for today and finish. They give it to them. People are keeping quiet. And apart from that, look at the insecurity. People who shouted against Jonathan. People who wanted to kill Jonathan. People who did all sorts of things against Jonathan. Because fuel was 60 naira. 60 naira. 60 naira. They wanted to kill Jonathan. Soyinka, them, Falana, them, all of them. They were against Goodluck Jonathan. But today, 8,700, all of them are quiet. Soyinka, all of them, they are quiet. Why? Because they love the oppressor. Anytime you see all these people talking, it's because they don't love the person who is doing fine. That is why they attack the person. But you know what? There is nothing that will stop something that its time has come. Nigeria, as it look now, is a country that cannot be retained because the people are not ready. The people are not ready. Anyway, I don't have much to say about this. I don't want to waste my saliva about this. Anybody, any slave who is not against his or her slave master is not supposed to be free. So they do not deserve freedom. If you love your master as a slave, no problem. I wish you good luck. And if you didn't learn when you are alive, you will learn when you die. But the most unfortunate thing you are doing is that you are living a bondage for your generations to come. So don't think only you. I know you are poor, you are wretched. You don't have brain to understand that these people are killing you. You're following them, sleeping outside just because you want to attend a convention, doing all those things, no problem. But what about your children who are coming after you? Are you thinking about this?